I am so incredibly grateful and happy that it finally bloomed. I've been waiting for this for the past 5-6 months. Me and my mom, both of us waited for this exact moment. I think in a few 2 to 3 days it will actually like bloom full way, and there's still 5 or 6 more buds that will bloom in the upcoming weeks. Other than that, the trunk has grown really well and it's very strong. The base is not moving at all, and we don't need to foundation with a stick it anymore. And not to mention the rose is doing really well. At least 9 to 8 buds are popping out fully. One of them is fully bloomed, 3 of them are on our way, and in the next 1 or 2 weeks it will be fully bloomed. I can't wait to see them. These look absolutely beautiful. I can't wait for the other 8 to pop out. And here's my vegetable plant. This one is doing pretty well. It had some mites before and some ants, but I took care of it with an insecticide. There's some small saplings that are growing by side as well. And to help radiate the temperature and have a nice nutrient absorbing thing, I added some pit moss on top of the soil, which will keep it cool and wet for upcoming hours, because Malaysia gets really hot, so to regulate the temperatures you have to go drastic measures. Well, this is pretty cool, literally. And I added some of it to my rose plant as well, because they tend to get dry very easily. So yeah, that's it guys. For more updates, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any tips for me, make sure to comment down below.